guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. This week I'm sharing with you how to paint your own t-shirt. I am wearing one today and I know it's not in frame entirely, but I will show you later on in the video what this looks like. And I made two others and let me show you those. They can be in frame. So this is a lion on a baby blue base, and then on a white base a nice lady. And as you can see, I worked in both cases with color gradients, and this one as well. So it's going from sort of an eggplant purple all the way to almost a peachy, salmony, off-white. It's not completely visible, I'm afraid, but well, what I'm going to do today is show you how I made this one. So this is a short tutorial and you will see me do it, and with some explanation, of course. It's not difficult. The paints that I used are by Tim Holtz, well, by Ranger, but designed by Tim Holtz, and they are his distress paints. Now these paints, they are acrylic, but the difference with the usual acrylic paints that you would use to either paint a painting or even your wall is that those paints are much thicker. So if you put that on your clothes, you would feel the thickness and it wouldn't be comfortable. It wouldn't be as flexible as you need it to be when it's on fabric. Whereas this, you know, it's completely flexible. It's like it's printed. It really is. And when I'm wearing these, I don't feel that it's painted. And that is, that is because Tim Holtz, I don't know how he did it, but he designed it to be suitable to work on fabric as well. And these are completely waterproof once they are dry. So when you're working with it, it's of course not waterproof, but once it has dried, it is permanent. So like all other acrylic paints actually. So these are as well. So you can put these in the washing machine. I have washed this I think twice by now, and it's well, I've worn this, so I am going to do this. I'm going to do my laundry soon, and it remains, the colors remain as they are, and so I love these paints to use on fabric and not just on paper. So I thought I'd share that with you because maybe you didn't know that, and it's a fun way to work on your plain colored t-shirts. I bought mine especially to paint on them, so I bought very cheap ones and only spent like €3 or something, 3-4 euros on each t-shirt. So in case I made a mistake with the paint, or you know, drop my old paint collection on top of it, then I could just throw it away. So I didn't buy an expensive t-shirt for this, but meanwhile I was successful. So I now have 3 very, very cheap t-shirts and they look awesome, or at least that is what I think. So before we go on to show you how I did this t-shirt, I just want to take a moment and point to the background here, because that is a painting, an actual painting created by my mom. She is well, as a hobby, she has a painting and she does mostly abstracts, some paint pouring and some other things. And this is one of her paintings, and I thought it would be fun to use it as a background. So let me know in the comments if you like that too. I can use more of her paintings as backgrounds. So we'll probably experiment with those. They are very colorful, as you can see. So let's see how that goes. All right, let's go to the tutorial and you see me create this particular t-shirt. Alright, and that was the tutorial. Now, you saw me do, well not do, but you saw that I did already 2 others. You saw this one and this one. Now, I can't tell you which one is my favorite. For instance, I really love the blues and the teals here, and perhaps you can see it in its entirety now. I will show you at the end, but this lion, I'm here for it. And on this baby blue base, I like it. And how about the white one? Well, I do have my white fashion days, and the thing is, with this white base, you can see the true colors of your paint, let's say. So if you look at the paint bottle, that color that is shown on the bottle is actually going to be on your t-shirt, and that is a great advantage with using a white t-shirt, I feel. I also liked working on this red one. I like my jewel tones, and I think they give a very special effect, a very different effect from the white and the baby blue. And maybe I can experiment some more with maybe some lighter colors or super dark colors. And metallics. I'm imagining this lion in like golds and silvers and then on a black t-shirt. Wow, I don't even like that, I think. But let me show you what this t-shirt looks like in its entirety and what paints I used. And these I used for the white one. And you already saw me create the red one, but just to be complete about it, let me show you an overview of those paints as well. Yeah, so anyway guys, I hope you liked this video, and I liked that you liked the idea of doing your own t-shirts with paint. And use the Distress Paints by Tim Holtz. Perhaps there are others on the market, I'm sure there are, but I don't know them yet. So leave it in the comments if you have other brands that work with fabrics as well. And yeah, press the like if you like this video, and thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye!